Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about binary tree traversal. So there are the three ways to traverse a binary tree. These are pre-order, in-order, post-order. So before explaining all these traversals, here I am simply drawing a simplest binary tree with one node on the left and right. So this is called your root. This one is your left child, and this one is called right child. So now if I have to traverse this tree using this binary, using these three methods, so what exactly will be? So in case of pre-order, what exactly the sequence I am writing here? If I have to traverse in a pre-order, so in that case, that will take the things of like a root, then left child, and then it will go for the right child. That is the sequence over there. In case of in order, that will take the sequence like a left child, then root, and then right child. And in case of if you have to follow the post order, so in the post order there will be like a left child, right child, and root. So the sequence for all the three are different, and you have to check first root, then left child, right child, here left child, root, right child, here left child, right child, root. So that is the way. And in that sequence, if I want to traverse this tree, what exactly will happen? This tree will be in the case of pre-order. So what exactly the sequence will be here? Here it is the simplest. In the left side there is the one node, and there is the right side there is the one node. So directly you will do the things. So root is A, so A is there, then left child is B, and right child is C. So that is the pre-order sequence traversal of this tree. If I traverse this thing in the in order, so in case of in order, that will take left child, so left child is B, then root, and then it will take the right child, so C. In the post order traversal, same tree if I'll traverse in a post order, so in that case first left child, so left child will be B, then right child C, so C is here, and then root, that is A. So that is the overall sequence in the pre-order same tree. But in the real life or in the exam lesson, we will not get the this level of the simpler tree. We will get the tree which is little complex, and we have to learn accordingly what exactly the sequence would be there if I traverse in the pre-order, post-order, and in order. So here I'm trying to create some bigger, some complex tree and try to make the things for that in a traversal. So see, here I'm making little complex tree. So this is the tree, and I have to traverse this tree in order, pre-order, and post-order sequence. So in this tree, first of all I try to traverse in a pre-order. So in case of pre-order, what will happen? First root. So root here, the root is here, that is A. So it is there. So it is root. If you will see left, so this is the entire your left child, left subtree, left, and this part is over here, that is the right child of this tree. So A, if I follow in the left child, so what exactly left child is not a single node as in the previous example it was. Here it is a subtree. So I'm putting its name as a T1. I'm giving name it as a T1. So this will be T1, and I'm giving this as a name T2. So this is T2. Now I have to traverse once again this left subtree in the form of pre-order. So what will happen? A, T1. So in case of T1 once again, so root is B. So B is there. Now if I see the things in the left, left is a single node. So as I have done in the previous example, I can directly write the things D, and then it is E. Now for the simpler manner, I'll do the things for the T2 also. so here the root, so root is C, and then left, that is F, and that is G. So that is the sequence. If you will see for this tree, so this part is as a root, this part is as a left child, and this part is as a right child. Clear? So that is there in case of preorder. Now if I'll do the things in order, so in case of in order, what will happen? So once again left child. So here left child, once again same thing is there, not a single node. It is a tree, and I have already given the name T1. So I'm writing here T1. Then root. Root, what exactly? Root is A. So A. And the right child, what exactly right child? It is the subtree and its name is T2 I have given. So I'm writing here is a T2. Clear? So once again for the T1 I have to follow the in order. So in order T1, so here left, so in this T1 left is D, so D will be there. It is not a single node, not a subtree. If it is the subtree, then once again I'll write to do the things in a similar manner, but it is not there, so directly I'm writing D. Then it will come to the this root, so root B, and then right, so right is E. So that is there. And now for this A, that A will be as it is there. For the T2 I have to traverse same way, left child, root, and right child. So left child, so F, then root, and the right G. So that is the overall. You can check, this is your left, this is your root, this is your right, and the sequence, this sequence is your in order traversal of this tree. If I traverse this tree in a post order, so what will happen? Same post order if I am trying to traverse in a post order manner. Post order. So in the post order, what exactly? Left child, the right child, and root. Left child, once again in the left child, that is the 3 over here, subtree. So I'll write over here post order, that is T1, and the right child, that is T2, and then root, so A. Now T1, once again I'll traverse in a post order. So this, so T1, what exactly? This left, there is the left, that is D, and this part is E, right, and then root B, so DEB, that is your here left. T2, once again T2 will be traversed in the same post order manner. So F, then G, and then C, and then A, that is your right, and this sequence, this is your root, and this sequence is called post order traversal of this tree. So if you are here, if you will see at for each node there are the two children, so correspondingly you have done the things. Sometimes if you will get an example where you do not have the, might have some there would be one child or some value would be missing, so in that case what exactly the way to traverse a tree. So for example here I am making a tree here in this way. Suppose this is I am creating over here in a simplest manner. So this one is the tree and you have to traverse. So here A, B, C, D, E. It is another example. I am taking another example to traverse a tree. So in that case what will happen? I have to traverse in a in order, post order, and the pre-order traversal. So first of all I'll try to traverse in a pre-order. So pre-order, as it is, as we know, that is root, this part is here left and this part is as a right. Here as we see, for this root node, left is not a single node, it's a subtree once again, so I'm giving its name T1 and this one as a T2. So this will be a pre-order. So pre-order root first, so A, then left, so left in the T1, so T1, and the right it is T2, so T2 will be there. Once again for the T1 I have to traverse in a pre-order manner. So whatever the term is already traversed, that write in the same way T1. So for this tree, what exactly I have to follow the root ones. So so once again for this T1, B is here as a your root. Then it will come to the left side of this T1. There is no left, so leave that thing. It will go for the right. What exactly right? That is D. So D is there. In the similar manner, if I go for the T2, so the T2 root, so root is C. So C is there. C is there, so that is the root, and it will check for the left. What exactly the left child? That is E. So E is there. In the right hand side there is nothing, so leave that thing. So that is the pre-order traversal of this tree. So this tree. If I'll go for the same thing for this in order, what exactly will happen? Here you can see the things. Here the left child is missing, here right child is missing. So this is the different case, and correspondingly you have to do the things. If it is missing, skip that thing and then follow the next instructions or the next value for that you are looking. So in case of in order, so the in order is there. So once again in order, left child. So left child, here it is T1. So it will go for the T1 and then root and then right child. So T2. Once again this T1 will be traversed in an in order manner. So in order, so the T1 in the left child, left is null. So leave that, null is there. Root, so root is B. So I'll traverse B. And then right side, that is D. So it will be there D. And then A. And for the T2, once again it will follow the left child. So left is E. And then C, right child is null, so leave that. That is the in order. So this is your in order sequence of this tree. For post order sequence, if you will see, so post order sequence, it will be like a left right root. So left, once again left, that is T1, right, that is T2, root A. So A is there. Now for the T1 I have to traverse in a post order. So T1 once again, left child, right child, root. So left child null, right child D. So right D, and then root. Root is B for this T1 tree, and then T2. In case of T2, what exactly the thing here? That is the once again left subtree, that is E. So E is there. Then right child is null. Leave that thing, and then root. C is there, and it is there for this subtree, and write down A as it is. So that is the sequence. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching it. Kindly subscribe and like the channel to get latest videos and updates. Few more channels are also there in the last to get latest updates in new dimensions and domains. Kindly subscribe and like them as well.